after, what is it, like, I think 6 months from ordering in Japan to here. Spoon fenders for the S-Tai kit and spoon bumper. Thanks to Tony at Evasive for making sure these got to me safe and sound. Now we will go and get NatsukiS2k back together, back on the road, and then off to BRI Motorsports down in San Diego. Thanks to Dennis Caco and Max Boost and Autocannon for making that connection. And hopefully we'll be back on the road and back on track for COTA in the spring. Keep tuned for updates later.